Hey, what's up? It is me, the Millennial Investor 1914. Holla at your boy. I am back. I haven't made a video in, let's say, 6 months. Someone just knocked on my door and just completely ruined my thought and my energy of how I was getting to my first video. But let's see if I can recreate the energy and the juices. Yes. So check this out. I haven't made a video in 6 months, and I just want to let you guys know. Welcome back to my channel where we cut through the noise, lock in your conviction, and build wealth from the ground up. In my channel, we talk about personal finance, how to make money, how to compound your wealth, and really, whether you are a minority or just whoever, just give you some tips and skills just from everyday person from Wisconsin, just out here just building wealth, compounding, and hopefully trying to retire within 10 to 15 years and hopefully move outside the United States. That's my goal. So while you watch my videos, hopefully you guys can rock with me because I most definitely rock with you. And we're all content creators. And hey, we all started somewhere, and I'm starting from the ground up. So let's get it. Recently, what I say is what I've been doing is that I've been away. I spent some time I got my PHR, focusing on work. Recently, I spent 2 weeks in Colombia. I spent time. I was in Cartagena and I was in Medellin. Now, I would say because when my channel is not only just investing, but it's also just the lifestyle portion. I don't want to wait until I'm 60 where I have a couple millions underneath my belt, but I have health complications. I'm not able to travel. So my goal is, when you look at my channel, you see that I'm traveling. I am enjoying the fruits of my labor. Right, I work hard. I put in a lot of hours, but then at the same time, I also wanted to show that whether you're a man, woman, child, that it's completely attainable. You can do it. You can sacrifice, and most importantly, we can get this money, and that's what the ground up comes in at, right? I plan on. I know I'm going back to Wisconsin and Chicago in September to visit my grandmother and fraternity type stuff for my birthday. I might go to the Dominican Republic or Peru, or the goal is for me to um, maybe go to Lima, Peru, or put money into my portfolio. Let's go over some logistics of my portfolio because I did a completely overhaul to my portfolio, and what you'll see is that I'm trying to get to this money. I have a 1 month rate of return of 8.03%. My year to date return for my portfolio is 30.64, which is good, right? And for me, anything above 20%, I'll take it. And my 1 year return is 57.66 versus the 29.78 with the S&P 500. What's my secret? Kadira, what's your secret? Let's talk about it. So my secret is, what you'll see is that uh, I have implemented the core and satellite method, and with my core and satellite method, I have Broadcom, AMD, Lam Research, Comfort Systems, GE Vernova, Google, Monolithic Power Systems, and what else? POW and Quanta Services as my satellite stocks, right? My core holder is my VU. Now I know you're seeing like, Kadero, how's VU your core holding, but you only have $6,381? I'm glad you asked. What I'm doing is that since I have this huge pie of 20,985, what I'm doing is that a I have a function that I've already established that I already have automatic in the background. Every Thursday, $350 is coming from this 20,000, and it is going into VU. And so rather the market goes up, market goes down, $350. I'm buying so that by the time December of this year, 2026, my VU position will be at roughly 50,000, 15,500, right? Also, I plan on getting my quanta position to doubling this. So from 5,000, this is going to be about 10,000. My POW is going to be about 10,000. and I plan on getting my monolithic power systems at roughly $10,000. $10,000 invested. That's the key. And so, of this 20,000, I got a couple thousand allocated for POW, uh, Quanta Systems, and the the delicious part about this portfolio is that rather the stock market goes up and down, my portfolio is continuously going to pay me, and I'm reaping the benefits of the dividend or the distribution from BTCI. Currently, right now, BTCI is paying me $150 of, we say, perpetual income per month. And as I continue to add more money into this, by the time I do another video, well, probably a month or two from now, this BTI position is going to be from 6,600, and most likely it's going to be about 10,000, because I'm really ramping it up, because the goal is that I'm trying to get BTI to pay me $500 to $550 per month, so that as inflation is going up, I don't have a wife, I don't have a spouse, so I have side business and whatnot. But I'm going to utilize BTI as a income play to help put money in my pocket. And as I'm also putting $300 per month into my student loan, I'm going to take half of that BTI distribution plus my $300, and I'm going to just double and attack my student loan. And I got my student loan allocate for doing that for 3 to 4 years. Wipe out my student loan. Wipe out my loan for my solar panels, and then once that, only loan I really have I need to really focus on is my mortgage. And as right now, I got my mortgage down from 180,000 to roughly 150,000 right now, and so we rocking. And so I'm just going to just do the snowball, or what you call it, the avalanche message, where I wipe out one, take that distribution, and just keep attacking other debt. And for me, I don't have any personal debt on the credit cards because I paid my credit cards out, and so that's what I'm trying to do, right? So I'm excited. I'm excited because, again, 6 months ago, the last time I did a video, my portfolio was at 100,000, shot under 100,000, around 99. And now my first video, I'm back, baby. We back. We're building wealth and passive income from the ground up. My portfolio is at 135,000. My goal is to get this to hit to contribute to get this portfolio uh, to hit around 250,000 by the age of 40. I'm 37 right now, and so I've been doing the math with Claude and Gemini and Grok to figure out the numbers, and if I contribute this much, and et cetera, how I can definitely hit my goals. So that's the goal. My goal is to hit 250,000 by the age of 40. And by the end of this year, my goal is to hit this portfolio at roughly 155 to 160,000. I know I could do it. Hopefully, you guys believe in me. And lastly, upcoming dividends. Upcoming dividends. So this is my dividend that I receive in my portfolio. Just wanted to show you right here that BTCI is paying me roughly $156 per month, and I'm also contributing out of my own pocket. I'm putting $500 into BTCI to get more income, and then also the dividend I receive from BTCI, I'm reinvesting within itself to get more income. So right there, as you see, the average is roughly $250, and we rocking, we rocking, we rocking. So as we go into June, we see right here $156, $6, $5. My growth plays, my growth stocks are intentionally growth stocks, so they don't really pay high enough dividends, but they get me to where I need to go in terms of uh, just growing my portfolio. My portfolio's yield is 2.13%, and my yield on cost is 3.27%. So my portfolio has a yield on cost of a 3.27% portfolio. But if you or anybody was to buy what I have now, they will get 2.13%. That's what that means, right? And I'm a couple dividends shy of being paid $3,000 passive income passively. So welcome back, Adara. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow and holler at your boy. Peace.